Have you ever been in a situation where you needed to make a quick payment but couldn't use your credit card? Maybe you were trying to pay for something online that didn't accept credit cards, or maybe you were traveling and didn't have access to your bank account. If so, then you might be wondering if Deel accepts PayPal. In this video, we're going to answer that question and explore some of the other payment methods that Deel accepts. We'll also take a look at the pros and cons of using each of these payment methods. Deel is a global payroll and HR platform that helps companies hire and pay employees in over 150 countries. Deel offers a variety of payment methods, including PayPal. Here are some of the pros of using PayPal with Deel. PayPal is a widely recognized and trusted payment method. PayPal is easy to use and set up. PayPal offers a variety of payment options, including credit cards, debit cards, and bank transfers. PayPal is available in many countries around the world. Here are some of the cons of using PayPal with Deel. PayPal may charge fees for certain transactions. PayPal may not be available in all countries. PayPal may not be the best option for large payments. In addition to PayPal, Deel also accepts the following payment methods: bank transfer, wire transfer, credit card, debit card, ACH transfer, cryptocurrencies. Each of these payment methods has its own pros and cons. For example, bank transfers are generally free, but they can take several days to process. Credit cards are easy to use, but they may charge interest fees. When choosing a payment method, it's important to consider your individual needs and preferences. If you're looking for a fast and easy way to pay, then credit cards or debit cards may be the best option for you. If you're looking for a free or low-cost option, then bank transfers or ACH transfers may be the best option for you. Deel accepts a variety of payment methods, including PayPal. The best payment method for you will depend on your individual needs and preferences. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.